Oh well, you show me later, eh? What do you mean? Has Woody been looking after you? Feeling good? You weighing out lots? I love you, mate.
All the way over?
No, I got pushed in the trolley, in the wheelchair. And then...
Hello, you're doing remarkably well, aren't you?
I can't believe it. They were trying to tell me that I wouldn't be able to walk. I said, no, I actually feel like I can walk.
Well, don't overdo it.
No, it's pretty good. You'll be up and walking soon, mate. Just got to make sure you don't push it. It must have done a big... Right, man?
I've got to actually go, so you can sit recording for it.
Me too. I'm really tired too. No, I didn't get to sleep. They keep waking me up every hour. How's that? No good sleep. Every hour they wake me up. Did she? You're a trooper, mate. You're a fat one. You're a strong little super boy. Me too. And they only give me jelly. This morning they gave me this porridge stuff. But now I've got all my stuff out of my catheter out. Oh, thank you. We also don't want to go for a stool right now. Oh, I wanted to come over and see you, Nick. That was the first thing I wanted to do when I got all my stuff out. Look at all your machines. You have way more machines than I have. I have only little machines. I have a machine.